Hey everyone, welcome back. In this video I'm going to show you how you can fix crashes in Granny Recaptured, especially if the game keeps closing while loading. First thing you should try is a clean reinstall. A lot of crashes happen because some games file are missing or are they broken. So what you want to do is delete the entire folder of Granny Recaptured, not just the shortcuts. After that, download the game again from a trusted and original source. This alone fixes the problem for many players. Next, we can check is graphic drivers if they are up to date. So if you have GPU drivers uh, that are old, the game can crash during startup or um, loading. Go to the official website or of your graphic card. You have NVIDIA or AMD or Intel. Download and install the latest driver for your system. Then you restart your PC. So as you can see here, I have new version of GeForce drivers here. Uh, like that. Also, with Unity games, with older Unity games, you can have problem with overlays of Steam or NVIDIA. So before launching the game, turn off all overlay completely. Um, so yeah, I hope this video helped you out how to solve a crashing problem or the game not loading. So if this video helped you out, consider to like and subscribe to the channel. Thank you for watching and I will see you in the next one.